Next type of tissue which is present in our body, that is of muscles tissue. In like the names that present in our muscles. Our body is mainly made up from muscles, different type of muscles, and that containing the muscles tissue. If we see the cells of muscle tissue, cells are elongated. Cells are elongated. Muscles tissue cells are elongated. These cells are known as muscle fibers. These cells are known as muscle fibers. These muscles tissue originated from mesoderm. It is originated from the mesoderm, originally there, and some muscles is originated from ectoderm. Mainly it is from mesoderm, some from ectoderm. The membrane of muscle tissue that is known as sarcolemma, and cytoplasm of muscle tissue that is called sarcoplasm. And that reticulum, or that is ER of muscle tissue, known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Normally, that muscle fibers are it is made up from the fibers, and these fibers is known as myofibrils. Myofibrils, muscle fiber is known as myofibrils, and these myofibrils parallelly arranged. Muscle fibers or myofibrils parallelly arranged. In the tissue. They are parallelly arranged with each other in the tissue, and main function of muscle tissue that help in the movement, movement of body organs, body parts, or any others. Mainly it's help in the movements. So these are cells, muscle cells are parallelly arranged. Elongated cells is there. These fibers is known as myofibrils. Muscle tissue origin is mesoderm, but sometimes that origin is of ectodermal. These membrane of the muscle tissue that is known as sarcolemma, cytoplasm of muscle tissue known as sarcoplasm, ER of muscle tissue that is sarcoplasmic reticulum, and myofibrils of the muscle tissue that is made up from the fibers which are parallelly arranged, and the main function of muscle tissue that is help in the movement of body or body organ or body parts. If we see the muscle tissue, it is of three types. Muscle tissue is of three types. The first is of striated. striated muscles. Striated muscles. Striated muscles. These muscles is also known as voluntary muscles. Known as voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means these are doing work according to our willpower. If you want, these muscles will work. If you don't want, muscles will not work. So that's why that is the voluntary. Just like I am writing on the blackboard, that is the voluntary action. If I want, I will write. If I don't want, I do not want. So it is voluntary muscles. Muscles have light and dark band. Muscles have light and dark band alternately. Light band and dark band alternately. That is called striations. Striations, light and dark bands. They are these striated muscles attached with bone and help in movement. Attached with the bone and help in the movements. The striated muscles are these muscles are multinucleated. The muscles are multinucleated more than the muscles long. Muscles long, elongated, unbranched, long, elongated, unbranched, and cylindrical. Long, elongated, unbranched, and cylindrical is there. And they do work according to our willpower. That's why that is the voluntary muscles. If I draw the diagram of striated muscles, it is made up from parallel bundles of myofibrils. These are the parallel bundles of myofibrils. They mean light band and dark bands. Light band and dark band. We will discuss detailed structure. These light band and dark band made up from the different types of proteins, and it will be discussed in another chapter, that is of locomotion in animals, where we detail discuss the diagram of these striated muscles and multinucleate structure is there. More than one nucleus present in this striated muscles. This one is of sarcolemma. This is light band. This one is of dark band. This one is of nucleus, and the cytoplasm known as sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm. Its main function of striated muscles, these are attached with the bones. Striated muscles attached with the bones. That's why they help in the movement of the body from one place to another place. We can move one place to another place. We can write. We can play. All these functions do according to our willpower, according to our thinking. So that's why the voluntary muscles. Second type of muscles tissue, that is of smooth muscles or unstriated muscles. Like name, these are the unstriated, or you can say light and dark vein absent. Light and dark vein absent. Cells elongated and fusiform or spindle set. Elongated and fusiform or spindle set. These are involuntary muscles. These are involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means they do not work according to our willpower. They do work their own. If our body is required a particular function, they will work. Our body not require any function, they will not work. So these are the involuntary muscles. These are packed. These are packed tightly by fibers. Fibers tightly packed with the help of fibers. Muscles are parallelly arranged. Muscles are parallelly arranged. Muscles uninucleated. Only one nucleus is there. They occur in alimentary canal means the digestive system, occurring digestive system, blood vessels, we can say that is in internal organs, present in our internal organs of the body. If we see the diagram is of like this of spindle cell. Single nucleus there and parallelly arranged with that, in which many myofibrils are parallelly arranged. These are the myofibrils. Myofibrils. So this one is of nucleus. Myofibrils. And these are the spindle shaped muscles. Another type of muscles and their function, that movement in alimentary canal or internal organs, its function is of movement in internal organs. Internal organs की movement में ये just like urinary bladder or small intestine, large intestine, So another type of muscles, that is of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles contain characters of both the muscles, smooth muscles as well as striated muscles. Cardiac muscles having both characters. It have characters of both muscles. For example, like it is cylindrical. Cylindrical, uninucleate. Cylindrical, uninucleate, light and dark band present. Cylindrical, uninucleate, light and dark band present. Lateral branches is there, means lateral branches present, means it is branched tissue. Lateral branches there. Intercalary disc present. Intercalary disc also present inside the cardiac muscles. Mainly the cardiac muscles present in the heart. The activity of heart controlled by the cardiac muscles, and it is type of involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. If we draw the diagram of involuntary muscles, these are the cylindrical fibers, and this one is of dark band and then light band, dark band, then light band, dark band, light band, dark band, light band, dark band. So these are light and dark bands which is present in that. And uninucleated, only single nucleus is there. These are the lateral branches, or here this is the intercalary disc is there. This one is a branch, dark band, light band, intercalary disc, nucleus, sarcolemma, and cytoplasm is there. So this is the diagram of cardiac muscles. If we see the difference between all the three types of muscles, some difference is there between all these three types of muscles. First one is of striated, second one is of smooth, and third one is of cardiac. Striated muscles, light and dark very present. It is absent, light and dark mean absent, and here absent. Multinucleate. This one is of uninucleate. Again, this one is of uninucleate. This one is voluntary. Involuntary. Involuntary. It is of cylindrical. This one is of spindle shaped. This one is of again cylindrical. Intercalary disc, unbranched spores, unbranched, unbranched again. This one is of branched. Intercalary disc absent. Absent again here, absent or intercalary disc present. Striated muscles present in external body parts especially, and smooth muscles present in internal body organs, and cardiac muscles present in the human heart of the body.